Hi everyone, our topic for today is all about integration by parts, tabular method. Tabular method is a shortcut method of integration by parts. So, para madali na nato kanang solve ang integration by parts, we can use the tabular method. So, in tabular method, we have here a table. So, in this table, there are 3 columns. So, first column is the signs. So, signs, so naay mga signs diri so diri nga column there are changing of signs. So, ang ma-change ani kay positive, negative. So, maora nang signs nga naa diri sa column, sa first column. The second column is u and its derivatives. So, ang diri nga column na ang u, the value of u and the derivatives of u. So, the third column is our dv. So, the value of dv and its antiderivatives or the integral. So, diri nga column daw, there is a third column na ang value sa dv o mga antiderivatives sa dv. Now, we have the example. Evaluate the integration of x squared sine 2x dx. So, kay tabular method man to gamiton, we have here the table. So, first column is sines. And the second column is u, and the third column is our dv. So, first signs, atong ibutang sa ang first column is positive. And the second column, our u here is x squared. So, as we can remember in the liate, so in our given, we have the algebraic function and the trigonometric function. So, in liate, we have first logarithmic function, second is the inverse function, third is the algebraic function, fourth is the trigonometric function, and fifth is the exponential function. So, sa atong given, ng algebraic function and the trigonometric function. So, in the liate, ang una sa algebraic function, trigonometric function is the algebraic function. So, we have u. So, that's why we have u is equal to x squared. And our dv is equal to sine 2x. So, here, sa ikaduha na pod, atong ibutang is negative. So, here na pod, so the integration of u is u prime is equal to 2x, and first integration of dv is equal to negative 1/2 cosine 2x. And so now ato na pong ibutang ang positive diri ang ikatulo, positive na po tulo, ikatulo nga sign positive, and diri ato na pong i-derivative ang u prime. So the second derivative is equal to 2. And the second integration is equal to negative 1/4 sine 2x. So, ang ikaupat nga sign na po nato ibutang diri is negative. So, and the third derivative of x squared is equal to 0. And the third integration is equal to 1/8 times cosine 2x. So, ang diri ang sign, ato lang ibutang positive, negative, and so on. So, hantod nga, ma-0 na ang derivative diri sa second column. So, diha, kung na-0 na ang derivative diri nga column, dili na ta magpadayon. Basta na-0 na diri So, diri na lang po taman ang integration, kaning integration sa dv. So, now, kay naa naman taani nga mga mga value, ato na siyang i-apply na nato, ato na siyang i-multiply kani i-multiply na nato ang signs u and dv. So, first, we have here the positive. So, as we can see, positive times u is equal to x squared times v sub 1 is equal to negative 1 half cosine 2x is equal to positive x squared times negative 1 half cosine 2x minus kay negative man diri, then times 2x times negative 1/4 sine 2x. So we have negative 2x times negative 1/4 sine 2x plus kay positive man diri plus times 2 times 1/8 cosine 2x. So, we have here plus 2 times 1/8 cosine 2x plus c. So, that is the maunang kuani mo kanang kibali imo nang i-multiply mauna ning now sa pag-multiply nimo sa table. So, pag-apply nimo sa mga value sa table kaning arrow, as you can see in the arrow, so maunang arrow positive times x squared times negative 1 half cosine 2x mauna siya, tas inani lang siya. So kading arrow i-multiply na po din 2x times negative 1/4 sine 2x positive times 2 times negative times 1/8 over cosine 2x. So that is why we have positive x squared times negative 1 half cosine 2x minus 2x times negative 1/4 sine 2x plus 2 times 1/8 cosine 2x plus c. So, the result is my negative x squared over 2 cosine 2x plus x over 2 sine 2x plus 1/4 cosine 2x plus c. So, this is the final answer of the example number 1. So, that's all. Thank you.